OpenBB is not just another finance dashboard. The practical way to read it is as a data access layer for analysts, quants, and increasingly, AI agents that need market data without building a custom connector for every source. The Doramagic manual starts from the open data platform idea. That matters because the first value is not a chart. The first value is a consistent Python interface over many financial data providers. If your research workflow depends on copying CSVs between notebooks, terminals, and spreadsheets, this is exactly where drift enters. My first run test would not be a big trading strategy. I would pick one boring question: can I fetch a known equity time series, inspect the provider used, and save the result in a format another script can replay? If that is not repeatable, an agent built on top of it will hallucinate confidence around unstable data. The manual's boundary is also important. OpenBB can sit under notebooks, scripts, APIs, and agent workflows, but it does not remove the need to understand provider coverage, licensing, rate limits, and data freshness. A clean Python call can still return a dataset whose meaning depends on the upstream vendor. The first pitfall is treating the abstraction as the source of truth. It is not. It is the access path. For any investment or business decision, I would log the provider, timestamp, symbol universe, and transformation step. That log is what lets you debug a surprising result 2 weeks later. For AI agents, OpenBB is most useful when you wrap it as a narrow tool. Do not give the agent a vague research markets instruction. Give it a function that fetches one dataset, a validator that checks shape and date range, and a report step that cites exactly what was pulled. The visual mental model is simple: source provider, OpenBB command, normalized data frame, analysis, then decision support. If you cannot point to each step, the workflow is too magical for finance. My verdict: OpenBB is a strong foundation when you want finance data to be programmable and inspectable. Start with one repeatable query, make provider metadata visible, and only then connect it to an agent or a larger research pipeline.